Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study a math book step by step. First, take a few minutes to get a feel for the entire book. Look at the table of contents, chapter titles, and appendices. This gives you a valuable overview. Next, for each chapter, clearly define your learning goals. What concepts should you master? Finally, quickly review the examples and problems to understand the chapter's focus and complexity. As you read, engage deeply with the material. Don't just passively skim, truly understand each definition and theorem. Crucially, work through every example problem on your own, even if it seems straightforward. This active practice solidifies your comprehension. Keep a dedicated notebook for important formulas and concepts, making it a personalized reference guide. To truly master the concepts, consistent practice is essential. Solve a wide range of problems from the book, aiming for at least 10 to 15 problems per section. Always try to solve them independently before checking any solutions. This builds problem-solving skills. When you make mistakes, carefully analyze them to pinpoint exactly where your understanding faltered, then revisit those topics. Finally, solidify your learning through regular review. Dedicate at least 20 minutes each week to revisit older chapters and concepts. Explaining ideas aloud, perhaps to a friend or even just to yourself, is a powerful way to confirm your grasp of the material. Look for opportunities to apply what you've learned to new, more challenging problems or practical situations, ensuring lasting knowledge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.